Hey guys, how you doing today? So we got a tool review today. I purchased an Astro 52SL work light. Now this is the 52SL-C kit because it comes with the charger. And this is a wireless charger, and we're going to take a look at that. Now this is by Astro, and I bought my first Astro work light, which was this one here. This is the 40SL. I bought this probably about 6 or 7 years ago, and it still works. It's been a very rugged, very durable light. I mean, I've always liked this light. But anyway, because that one proved to be so robust and handy, that's what prompted me to go back with an Astro. So the nice thing about this, or one of the nice things about it, is it's got a twin lithium-ion battery that's offers 4,400 milliamp capacity. So it's gonna last a little bit longer than what your other cob work lights are going to last. Let me just read the back of the box real quick, then we're going to get into the main guts of this. So it's a 3.7 volt, 4,400 milliamp battery. Charge time on the direct C is 4 hours. Charge time on the wireless pad is 6.5 hours. And it'll last 3.25 on high, or up to 8 hours if you dim it down. It does have a top light that'll last up to 8 hours, and the main light, which is what they're calling the cob portion of it, is anywhere from 100 lumen to 1,000 lumen. 1,000 is with both of them turned on. Brightness of the top light is 150 lumen. Color temp is 5,500 to 6,500 Kelvin. So the unique thing about this, obviously, is the wireless charging base. The wireless charging base does have provisions for a regular USB, which is Type A, or a Type C. The Type C is offers up to 2 amp of capacity. Now this is showing output of 1 amp, so I guess this is actually only output. So whenever you have your Type C plugged in here, you're going to have an output of 1 amp, so you can plug other USB devices in it. Now you can see the 4 screw holes in here. So you can mount this to something that's, you know, for instance, wood, which is what my plan is. But it's also got magnets on the back. So you can mount this by just sticking it on, say, a toolbox or anything that's metal. Now, I got this handle in the way, so I'm not going to be able to get the light to stick on there probably. But I can take this back off and show you that the light will stick right on there just like that. And it'll charge up to 2 lights. So wherever you got this mounted, you just stick it on there and it's going to start charging. Now when I first bought this, or when I was first looking at it, I was thinking that it would charge like that. That you either set this down and you set that right on top of there. That is not the case. It only charges whenever the charging pad here is mated up right there. I thought the charging pad was going to be on the bottom, but that's neither here nor there. It's just the way this is designed, which is perfectly fine. Now, as far as the light itself, so the light has got it's a double-sided cob LED light. You hit the button once, and you've got a nice, bright flashlight. So if you need to poke this down into something and get a bird's eye view, you can do that. You hit it again. The one side lights up, you hit it again, and it goes off. Now, if you hit this button, the second button, they both light up. That's what gives you your 1,000 lumen. Now you can stick that down into an engine compartment or a trunk of a car or whatever, and the whole thing is going to be lit up nice and bright. Now, the nice thing, as you can see, it does have charge indicator also. But whenever you push and hold the button, you can see how it dims and brightens. I'm just pushing and holding the button. As soon as it flashes, that's as far dim as it'll go. If I hit or push and hold again, it'll get brighter. You'll see a flash. That's as bright as it'll go. Hit it again and it goes off. Now, this thing has detents so that whenever it's magnetically stuck or hanging by the hook here. So this thing's got detents, so that you know, right there it's perfectly straight. you got your full 90 degrees, and then it's got 3 other detents on each side, depending on how you want to position that. And it's a nice solid detent. So as far as the magnet, magnet sticks really good on metal, no matter how you want to position it. It will also stick by this part here. In fact, let me just stick it right here and show you that. So you can stick it straight on there just like that also. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Whoops. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the charge base, and I'm going to show you how handy this would be. So what's nice about this is you're always going to have a charged light. You don't have to grab your light like I've done a couple times with this one, turn it on, seems to be fine, and then 5 minutes later you realize, okay, it's pretty much dead. And you know, this one only charges directly, so you got to plug it in and wait on it. Whereas this, as soon as you're done with it, you throw it back on the charger, and then a day or two later you come back out whenever you're ready to do some more work. You pull it off there and you're good to go. So let me get this mounted real quick, and then I'll show you how I'm going to use this. All right, and so that's my plan right there. I've got it mounted up on my toolbox, and whenever you need a light, you just grab it. When you're ready to charge it, you just throw it back up there. And I do plan on getting another one so that I can have 2 at any given time. Unfortunately, while it's charging, it won't turn on. So as soon as you pull it off, then of course it will come on. Anyway, just a quick review on the Astro work light, the 52SL work light. I think it's going to be a pretty handy light, and it is chemical resistant, and it does have a 1-year warranty. And the warranty actually says if there's anything broke on it, not working within that year, send it to them. They'll fix it or replace it, no problem. Anyway, you guys take care. We're done.